Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get order tickets easily in Heartopia. So, if you have reached level 35 in Heartopia, you will unlock a new feature that called the order machines. You can use this machine to order clothes or furniture anytime without waiting for the shop reset. And this order machine is located between Bob's shops and Dorothy shops. But before you can place an order, you will need something that called an order ticket like this. And so how do you get it? Actually, it's pretty easy but also random. Order tickets can only be obtained from random rewards inside the surprise gacha. And the good news is surprise gacha can be earned by completing your daily quest. And right now, I have 3 surprise gacha like this. And so let's open it like this. And okay. Looks like I'm not lucky to get the other ticket this time. So basically all you need to do is keep completing your daily quest and then collect more surprise gacha. And then just keep opening them until you get the other tickets. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.